Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 4th generation, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open. And once your content is open and visible, all you would need to do is press power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna move the plant out of the way a little bit and try to just press these two keys. You'll have a sound along with a pop-up at the bottom right here to signify that you have captured your screenshot. This will disappear, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, which you can then find it in your Photos application. So it will be visible under basically all the photos right here, or recent in this case, I believe under library as well, yep. But you can also quickly find all your screenshots and just screenshots by looking at the media type, and then it will have screenshots. And as you can see, there it is. So that's the screenshot that I have captured, which you can see based on the time. So 2:42, now it's 2:43. So like I said. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.